Hey everyone, this is Ali John Chaudhary, psychotherapist, and I hope you're doing well. Now, today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to share with you a few poems on sibling estrangement. Yes, you heard right. There's going to be a few poems I'm going to be reading to you with regards to this particular theme. Now, three of my poems will actually be appearing on this side here. Three poems will be appearing in this collection called Rain Dropped Softly. And this is by David Allen Hamilton. And you can pick this up on Amazon. And if that's of interest to you, I've written 9 poems in this, and three of them are particularly about sibling estrangement. So I thought it would be interesting for some of our viewers to be able to hear some of these. So I'd like to read, of course, three of those poems, and I very much look forward to hearing some feedback with regards to this. So without further ado, here are some poems on sibling estrangement. This one doesn't have a title, but it is about that particular theme that we're all familiar with. Estranged sibling, only family left, carrier of memories, echoes of silence, missed opportunity every single time. Where are you? Still no reply. Family last, laugh and cry, eyeing the beholder, nothing to say. That is poem number one. Poem number two. The estranged sibling kept to herself the call that never came, juggling at once the importance and the shunning of family. An inconvenience best forgotten, like a spot on clothing. Collecting the memories of missed opportunities, of if onlys. The tradition of family last remains a tradition unto itself, never being the brother she wants, never being the sister I need. It's very powerful. It's my second poem. Now, this third poem that I have, this one actually has a title. And I call this one Never My Turn. She disinvited me to speak, wanting me there, yet absent in my words, just for show. Quiet, someone else is speaking. Why do I hope my time will come? Time came and went. Still they uttered not my name. Everyone that mattered used words. I used mine to justify my silence. Cruelty has no bounds, not even in public shaming. With opportunities past, I'm still left to wonder if at all she has regrets in treating me like her unbrother. So, if some of you would like to have this collection, these poems, you can take a look into this anthology. I look forward to having some feedback with regards to this, should you choose to let me know what you think of these poems. I do encourage any and all of you to share some poetry if you have some pertaining to sibling estrangement. I know some of you have already done so on the sibling estrangement page on Facebook. I do encourage you to do so because it's a way for us to acknowledge our reality and, of course, put words to what we're feeling, which is very important with regards to evacuating that from us. So I know that the holidays can be a challenge for some of us, so this is actually a good tool to be able to use that by bringing out our truth when it comes to that. So I very much look forward to doing some more videos in January. And I hope that all of you are doing well. And we'll be meeting on December 28th with a special Facebook Live. So do look out for the link with regards to that, or the information for the event. And will be available from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if that is something that speaks to you, if you ever need to have a bit of a pick-me-up, we'll be talking about sibling estrangement and answering some questions. Okay. So wishing you guys all the best. And if I don't hear from you then I'll be seeing you sometime in January. All right. You guys take care. All right. Bye now.